Hello viewers, in today's video we are going to learn how to register for a TIN. My name is Tina and you're watching Business Rejuvenate. Let's begin by defining a TIN. A TIN is a taxpayer's identification number. Tax is a fee imposed by the government upon its people's incomes, company profits, and value of goods and services. These taxes help the government to meet its day-to-day expenditures, such as building schools, building hospitals, constructing roads, and paying salaries to its employees. So one would wonder, why do I need a TIN? Well, here is why. You need a TIN when applying for a KCCA license. You need a TIN when doing business transactions, biddings, and contracts with big companies or government bodies. You need a TIN during motor vehicle importation and registration. You need a TIN as a person for employment issues such as pay as you earn. Well, let's right away learn how to register for a TIN.
Portal, the URL portal. Click on e-services. Under e-services, we will see register for taxes. There is individual registration, which is our main focus today. And there is non-individual registration. Non-individual registration is for the companies when you're registering a company. And then group registration is when you're registering a company plus the directors. You register them at the same time. So our main focus is individual registration. So you click individual registration. So select new form. Download template for registration. So you go under TIN individual and click. So downloading the template. You can either save or open with. I prefer opening with, so I save wherever I prefer. This is our template. Let's first save it to be on a safer side. So before you do anything, make sure you enable the macros. As you see, macros have been disabled. So click options to enable the macros. Go under this content and say OK. So this word, please do not cut and paste any values in the sheet, must appear before you do anything. I want you to notice the red stars. Wherever you see a red star, those boxes are supposed to be filled in as a must. The moment you don't fill any of them, your template will not be uploaded. So let's start. Surname. First name, so mother's median name. Marital status. So note wherever you see this drop box, that means you have options where you're supposed to select. They give you options and then you select whichever you prefer from the box, the drop box. Have you previously applied for a TIN? Uganda. So you could use a national ID to help you with filling in this step. Right here. So the district is Kampala, the county is Makindye East, sub-county, so This is the county is Makindye East. Sub-county Makindye. Parish Kansanga right here. Village so it's 256, then you go to 754, maybe 13. This is a tutorial, so I'm going to just write any number. 754, 13, 41, 42, 5, maybe 9. So type in your email address, type in the right email address so that URA contacts you, you know. Because when they send you a mail, you need to be able to see it when your team is ready. So I think we are good to go. Citizenship and purpose of registration. So here, country of birth, you select the country where you were born, then the district, so city, I'll go for still Makindye division, sub-county, Makindye, parish, Kansanga, village, still go for the same now, TT. Sex, female, date of birth, of birth, select only if you are not a citizen. If you are a citizen, you don't need to select this. If you are not a citizen, is when you select. Are you a minor? Definitely, if you're above 18, then you're not a minor. Have you been known by another name? Nope. Point. Why do you need a TIN? So you have to tell URA why you need a TIN. It may be for income tax. Maybe if you're an employee in a government body or big company, you need income tax so that you need a TIN so that they can file your pay as you earn. So you say yes. If you're a wife, like housewife, you have a motor vehicle, you have as bought for you a motor vehicle, you could click on motor vehicle registration and then register. Or if you've bought yourself a motor vehicle, you could still click this. So you give reasons why you want a TIN. Okay. So if you import stuff from outside, maybe import or export, you can still click on this. Whatever you do, it is up to you. Give your reasons. I mean, TIN. So let's proceed. Identifications. Normally they take 2 of them. Let's go to the next step. Section D, partnership, corporate and trust information. We don't need this because indicate below your additional business interest or investments in any partnership or companies of trust. So I think we'll skip this since we don't have any of those. So just proceed. So section E says sources of income and type of business activities. When they say sources of income, employment, select yes or no. So here you select company that employs you. Sorry for the noise in the background. So for employer's name, you write the company where you work. Is employer Uganda resident? If he is, you select yes. If not, you select no. So for this case, the company is. So write the employer's TIN. Do you have any additional places of business? If yes, then complete form duty. Definitely not. Since I'm just getting a TIN. Do you qualify to withhold tax from employees? Definitely not. So proceed. If you should contact someone other than you to discuss the issue of this team, enter information about the person below. So of course, nobody they can contact other than you. Section B says this application must be referenced by a taxpayer whose team is active. So you type in anyone who can refer you. You write their mobile numbers. Section that is schedule 1 to 4. This you do not need to file this sheet with your registration unless you have completed one of the procedures below. So, like I said, you don't fill in these the gray boxes because of the option is none. You cannot fill it in unless previously maybe in the first section, that's A to C, you said maybe you are minor, then this would be open for filling. But since we did not, we said no, you cannot fill in any of these, so you just continue. Errors, they will appear somewhere here before schedule A to C. They will appear somewhere here. Error, like this is section A to C. Error line, they show you the error line, the error box description. They show you something like totally what the error is, which number it is, or which section. So everything is showed here, and then you come and read, and then go back and rectify the issue or the problem. So let's come back to schedule 5 to 6. Let's validate and see if you have any errors. Well, good, we have no errors. So do you want to generate upload file? Definitely yes. So turn in the video upload and you save it wherever you prefer to save your upload file. So there are no errors in this file. So click OK. Now you go back to the portal, the URL portal. So remember we that download template right here. So we are going to proceed and fill in the applicant name and browse. So this is the upload file, the one we just uploaded and saved. So it's the one we open. And it's right here. Enter text from the given image. These texts are case sensitive, so you have to be careful when entering them. If Q is capital, it is supposed to be capital. J uppercase, M uppercase, T uppercase. I agree to the terms and conditions. After all this has been done and said, then we upload our file. So we upload our file and make sure after uploading you have to download or print out the terms and conditions, which you will later attach to your physical documents. That is the two IDs they asked for, the photocopies, and then the we have detected that you are using pop-up blocking, so please turn the store you turn it off. So they ask the summary of upload, no errors found in the uploaded form, so you submit. Right here. So this is our form. We are supposed to submit URL. So you're supposed to print it out. So print submitted form. So the submitted form is here. So this is the form we've been filling in, and see we submitted to URL.